वैसे माधुरी दीक्षित की स्माइल की हम तो तारीफ़ करते करते नहीं थकते, मगर शायद माधुरी दीक्षित आप अपनी तारीफ़ स्माइल की तारीफ़ सुन सुन के थक गई हैं कि हमेशा जब भी आप सुनती किसी से उतना ही अच्छा लगता है।
नहीं, हमेशा कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स अच्छे ही लगते हैं, लेकिन मैं तो चीफ स्माइल ऑफिसर हूँ, सो यू नो आई हैव टू मेक श्योर कि बाकियों की जो स्माइल है वो वैसे ही कायम रहे। तो इसलिए आज हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे ओरल बी का we've done a what is it called, a mob, and it was wonderful. We had a fun time doing that.
जैसे मगर मैं पहले मॉब फ्लैश की बात करूँगी. This is your first experience, right? So how was your whole experience? Dancing. It was of course for an online promotional activity, but then being part of a mob flash, हमने काफ़ी online ऐसे videos देखे हैं. But how was your experience?
Well, it's frightening and exciting at the same time. Frightening in the sense कि वहाँ हम जाके वहीं डांस कर रहे हैं, and we are breaking into a mall where nobody knows anything and everybody's caught unawares. And then you have to do the whole thing together and do it well and create that whole buzz. So, but it's all excitement. I mean, I enjoy doing it.
And the way you're talking about the whole concept of today's campaign, also being a chief smiling officer for every family. You are of course a chief smiling officer for your own family.
Yes, my own family, and you will hear it from the kids because I'm very strict with them. They have to brush twice a day for 2 minutes. So I make sure I stand and make sure they brush for 2 minutes. And we go to the dentist every 6 months, so they have to get their teeth cleaned and all that. So they basically have to be in the dentist chair twice a year, which is scary for them. But now they've kind of accepted it and they have fun at it.
Yeah, they know that mom is not going to leave them at all.
Exactly.
But लेकिन हम ऐसे family की जैसे आप कह रही हैं that the family who brushes together stays together. But then whenever there's one person also who doesn't smile or is sad in the family, the whole family is affected. So how important is a smile in a family?
बहुत important है क्योंकि I think even one member is not feeling up to it, the whole it kind of sends out signals to all the members. आपको पता है even the pets in your family, they kind of sense if you're sad or if you're not smiling and stuff. So it's very important. A smile is very important. I think even scientifically it's been proven that it increases your blood flow and it's good for you. It's good for your health to laugh, to smile. तो दर्शकों के लिए यही कहूँगी, please keep smiling.
And the way you're saying, about the family, that the togetherness is very important. But in today's day and age, we see, that families and children don't get time to spend with their
because
parents.
What happens is parents are working. By the time they get home, it's kids' time to sleep. I have faced all that, so I know how it is. But I think dinner is one, meal of the day where you all can be together and laugh and smile, and that's very important.
यार आपके बचपन की अगर बात करें, आपकी फैमिली में तो आपकी स्माइल तो बेस्ट रही होगी, बट उसके अलावा अगर आप अपनी फैमिली में से किसी की बेस्ट स्माइल अगर वोट करना चाहे, कौन होगा?
My mom and dad had the best smiles. My dad and my mom, they both have very innocent smiles. And I can't boast about the smile because I have not done anything to get it. It's genetically given to me, so I have to thank them every time.
On that note, thank you so much, Madhuri.
Thank you.